Hey guys, welcome back. And if you want to know which big companies use Python every day, stay tuned. Now, you're probably watching this video because you want to be a programmer, but you don't know where to start or what program to learn first. Well, Python is actually one of the easiest programs, and we're going to talk about why we should learn it first. Now, I'm going to give an example why Python is easier to learn. Now, in high school, I'm not sure if many of you had to take a second language, but if you did you decide to take French, Spanish, or something similar to the English alphabet? Or did you want to go with Mandarin, Russian, or something that is completely different, new, and that is not even close to the English alphabet? Well, I'm pretty sure most of you are going to say that you would rather go with something that's close to the English alphabet. And that's kind of the same thing with Python. Python has really simple text, so you can start programming rather than either Java or C++ that you have to write a whole other line of code and then tell it when to stop, so that way you can go ahead and print it out. Now, taking that concept in mind, would you rather learn a complex language that you're probably going to quit before you even get far, or would you rather learn a language that's simple, get the basics down, and then go into a more complex language? Pretty sure most of you would say that you're going to want to go with the easier language just to get the basics. Now, after you get the basics, of course, you can go into a language that's a little more complex and expand your broad from there. But to begin, that's why we're using Python to start off with. Now, this is one of the reasons that we're going to be learning Python. The reason number two that we're going to be learning Python is because a lot of big companies actually use Python in their daily activities. For example, Facebook, Twitter, Dropbox, Instagram, many more companies out there use Python as their daily programming. And if you get really good at coding Python, you can even go on into making apps. You don't even have to wait to get hired. You can put them on the App Store, you can start selling them, and then make revenue. One last thing I want to talk about is about what I mentioned in my first video. I don't want people to basically bully other people in the community as we're learning. This is going to be a channel so everybody can help each other. And if you know Python, then great. Go ahead and answer some questions that you can in the comments. I'll go ahead and answer as many questions as I can as well. But please don't talk down to people, especially if it's going to be their first time and they're really trying hard to understand the concepts and the topics. No questions stupid. No, if you don't understand something, or if I didn't explain it correctly, go ahead and ask us in the comment section. Remember, when you were small, first you crawled, then you walked, and then you ran. First, we're going to be doing the simple topics. Then we're going to go into a little bit more advanced topics. And at the end, we're going to be putting everything together so that we can make a small program and then build up on that. Now, don't get overwhelmed. That's why I'm going to be making one or two more videos of the same concept so we can reinforce and everybody understands the concept. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you liked what we talked about so far, please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can see when my next video comes up. It's probably going to be where we're going to start making the Replit account and then applying what we're going to be learning in the video. So thank you very much. Have a good night, and thank you for watching.